Today's recipe, we are using a superfood that the entire world is going crazy over. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. We are using flax seeds and creating a yummy powder. The ingredients list for you. It's an extremely easy recipe. Initially, I'm just dry roasting 1 cup of flax seeds on medium flame till it is light brown in color. Next, adding in split dal and also dry roasting that on a medium flame till it is brown in color. The next 3 ingredients are dried coconut, few curry leaves and a small blob of tamarind. For spice, I'm adding in 2 red chilies and all these ingredients, once they are dry roasted, all you would have to do is add it into a blender and blend it into a coarse powder. You can add in a teaspoon of jaggery and salt as required. This is such a lovely powder which you can use for your idli, dosas or just rice with a dollop of ghee. We all know how healthy flax seeds are, so go ahead, give it a try. For more such regular, easy, healthy recipes, do subscribe. And yes, if you or your family members are looking out for easy online diet counseling, our number is there for you to reach out to us. Just one WhatsApp, we will connect. Thank you.